No worries. Hey, how's it going? I'm Leia Morales. I'm one of the coaches here at the Academic Success Center Coaching Spot. Welcome in. Here at the Coaching Spot, we help you develop the skills needed both in and out of the classroom. Some of those skills include time management, avoiding procrastination, motivation, study skills, test-taking skills, and if we can't help you here, we can definitely point you in the right direction for different resources that can help you be successful. Other than the appointments that we do here, whether it be you make the appointment or drop in, we do success series. These are our presentations that we do throughout the semester that change every week. So one topic could be time management, while the other could be study skills. In fact, if you take a look around, we actually have one going on right now.
Welcome! Here's one of our success series going on right now. We cover all sorts of topics like how to take care of yourself and presentations, how to prepare them. Right now they're talking about time management. So once you have your individual coaching appointment, we can talk about how all of these things relate to you in your life, how they can actually apply and make your own schooling a little easier. All of our coaches are graduate students, so we can relate that things can be tough sometimes. But we hope that we'll be able to help you succeed here at Academic Success Coaching. Hope to see you again soon.